Hey knitters, hey gamers. So I am back at knitting the inspired Fortnite choice emote sweater, and I'm knitting the longer sleeve, which is on the left. I keep saying the right, but if you look at it the opposite way, it is the left long sleeve, and it's very long. So what I'm editing for today is rows 68 to 71. I already have video 1, 2, and 3 posted for you to start knitting this sleeve. Now, this is a very long process and it comes in various sections. So we have the cuff, then we have the contrasting 2-color yarn, and then we have the more stranded knitting where there's actual pattern in them. So at the same time, you're learning your knitting techniques as you go, and it's just a wonderful way to up your knitting skills. If you're the beginner and you want to go more advanced, these are only 3 colors in the sleeve that you're using, and it covers some of the basics along with getting in your 2-stranded knitting pattern in there also too. Okay, so what I'm going to do is now leave you to knitting these rows 68 to 71, and I will proceed to create more videos to get the sleeve done, and I'll edit and post it to my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will have more coming your way. So we're going to purl 7 red. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. So we just purled 7 red. We're going to purl 11 white. Bringing the red over as you float. Okay, 11 white, 11 red, okay, 11 white, All right. And we should have 10 stitches left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we do. So now we're going to knit those in red. Okay. So we're going to do 10 red. All right. There's your 10 red. Row 69, we're knitting 17 red. Okay. We're knitting 3 white. We're knitting 19 red. Okay. 19 red. 3 white. And we should have 8 stitches left. I'm going to knit 8 red. There we go. We're forming the llama's neck and head. All right, let's purl 9 red. Okay. Purl 3 white, purl 19 red. Now we're going to purl 3 white, and we're going to purl 16 red. Okay. So we're on row 71. Knit 16 red. Knit 3 white. Knit 2 red. Knit 1 white. Knit 1 white. Okay, so knit 16 red. Knit 3 whites. Knit 2 red. One white. One, two, three, four, five, six. We are knitting 6 red. Okay. The llamas are formed. Just wanted to post, this is a Fortnite choice emote sweater that is part of the game of Fortnite Battle Royale, if you're familiar with the game. Now, the pattern is inspired, designed, and everything obviously doesn't look exactly like it, but it's mimicked. I mimicked how to make it. So my husband and I, we designed it. He helped create the pattern portion of it, drew it out, and we did the calculations. We did the flat pattern of it. So everything that we have done together is for personal use only. And also, if you're going to create this, this is for you for free. And this will also be for personal use only. So I just wanted to add that in there. And also, too, it's a great way, like I said, to learn your knitting skills in the process. If you have any questions, any comments, please feel free to ask in the comments below. All right, everyone. Happy knitting, happy gaming, and let's make something creatively fun together. All right, everyone. Bye for now.